An organization selected 2,400 families at random and surveyed them to determine a relationship between income level and the number of vehicles in a family. The information gathered is listed in the table below. Okay, so this is the information. I'll go to that a little later. Let's go to the question. Suppose a family is chosen. Find the probability that the family chosen is earning 10,000 to 13,000 per month and exactly 2 vehicles. So here two things conditioned. One condition is this: it should earn between 10,000 to 13,000. So where is 10,000 to 13,000? This bracket. And there's yet another condition, that is, should have exactly 2 vehicles. So where is 2 vehicles? These are the ones having 2 vehicles. 29 of them have 2 vehicles and they are in the bracket of 10,000 to 13,000. So when we're doing the sum, first we have total outcomes. So here the total outcomes we know is 2,400 families, and the favorable outcome is 29. So the probability of earning per month 10,000 to 13,000 per month and owing exactly 2 vehicles would be favorable outcome, which is 29 here, favorable outcome, over total outcome, that is 2,400. That would be answer 1. Now for the next one, they said earning 16,000 or more and owning exactly 1 vehicle. So 16,000 and more is here. 16, we need to have a blue, green. 16,000 and more is this bracket. And owning exactly 1 vehicle. 1 vehicle is here. 1 vehicle. This is 1 vehicle. So it is 579. So in the second sum, we have total outcome is 2,400 and the favorable outcome. Now what is a favorable outcome in this case is earning rupees 16,000 or more and having exactly 1 vehicle, exactly 1. And we saw that was 579 was our favorable outcome here, 579. So our probability of earning 16,000 or more and having exactly 1 vehicle will be favorable outcomes, that is 579 over the total 2,400. Now let's get on to the next one. For the next one, they said for the third one now, earning less than 7,000 per month and does not have any vehicle. Less than 7,000 is this bracket. Less than 7,000 is this bracket. And the next condition is does not have any vehicle, means 0 vehicles, means 10. This is our favorable outcome. So total outcome again, and now the favorable outcome is earning less than 7,000 and having no vehicle, and that we already saw there were 10 of them. So your probability of earning less than 7,000 and having no vehicle, earning 7,000 having no vehicle will be favorable outcomes, which is 10. Total outcomes 2,400. Now we go to the fourth one. The fourth one is earning 13,000 to 16,000 per month and owning more than 2 vehicles. So 13,000 to 16,000 is this entire thing. And next is owning more than 2 vehicles. More than 2 vehicles means 25 here, above 2 vehicles. That is for the third one. For the fourth one, owning more than 2 vehicles. So your total outcomes we saw was 2,400. Favorable. So here is earning 13,000 to 16,000, owning more than 2 vehicles, and we've already seen that number is 25 here. So your probability of earning between 13,000 to 16,000 and more than 2 vehicles will be, you see the favorable outcomes is 25. 25 fulfill the condition. Total is 2,400. So it's 25 over 2,400, and you can reduce it afterwards to the lowest term. And for the last, they've given you nothing. They said not more than 1 vehicle. Not more than 1 vehicle can be 0 vehicles, which is not more than 1, and 1 vehicle, which is not more than 1. So here there is no earnings. So I've got to take all those which have got 0 vehicles, all these, plus all those that have got 1 vehicle. All these I've got to add. Why do I take all of them? Because the criteria of earning is not given to me. So again here, for the fifth one, total outcome will be 2,400, and favorable outcome. Now what is favorable outcome? Not more than 1 vehicle. To find not more than 1 vehicle, I told you we got to add up all. 10, these are all having no vehicles. 10 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1. Then we add up 160. All these we add up. 16 plus 160 plus 305 plus 535 plus 469, add 579, and the whole total comes 2062. This is our favorable outcomes. So the probability of not more than 1 vehicle will be 2062. Those are the favorable outcomes. Having 0 vehicles, because 0 is not more than 1, and 1 also is not more than 1. So we've got to add up both 0 as well as 1 vehicle over the total 2,400. When you reduce this, you get 1031 over 1200.